Dower Releases and you. What is a dower release? In the province of Alberta, we have something that are called dower rights. It comes from a piece of legislation called the Dower Act. And dower rights are essentially a right of a spouse of somebody who's not on title to a property to make sure that they have the protection that the person who is on title can't just sell the property out of the blue. They can't dispose of any interest. What's disposing of an interest? Well, obviously a sale to somebody. If you are signing a mortgage, then that's disposing of an interest in the property because they can foreclose, caveats, promissory notes, extended leases, more than 3 years, anything that has a registration on title. So if you are a person who is on title and don't want to have to get your spouse to sign things all the time, you can get a dower release. Now, it's important to note that a dower release is different than a dower consent. A dower consent allows the person who is on title to register one specific document, the one that you sign only. So if you need a listing agreement with a real estate agent, the dower consent allows for them to register a caveat if they need to. If you sell a property, it allows the purchasers to register a caveat. If you're doing a mortgage, it allows the mortgage company to register the mortgage on title. But it only does one document. If you get a dower release, your dower rights are released going forward. So your spouse can sell, refinance, do whatever they want with the property without having you to sign anything further. Now, it's important to know that in the event that there's a reason why you don't want that person to have full control over the property, you can withdraw your dower release at any time. You withdraw it from land titles. Any existing document that's been registered at land titles continues to exist, but they can't register new ones without your consent. They then have to go back to you to get the consent for that particular document. So a dower release, very handy if one person doesn't want to have to sign documents all the time, but you are giving up rights, so it's important to know that you understand them to ensure that you're protected.